ba talaga na mananalo kang best supporting actor?
Not at all. Kahit ma-nominate, go. Wala akong idea. I was told to come here to support, siyempre, the Dominal Film Festival, pero our movie on Mary. Kaya nagulat ako. I was told it was gonna be all of us. The whole cast was asked to come here. Kaya nung sinabi nila yung list ng nominees, why would I expect? I feel very honored. Kaya thank you to the jurors for...
So ngayong nakuha mo ng best supporting actor, ano pang mga challenges sa'yo ngayon?
Sa akin, I just want to take it a project at a time. Nag-enjoy ako sa trabaho ko. Gusto ko makuha ng mga meaningful projects pa at enjoyin, namnamin yung bawat role. At sana, bigyan ako lagi ng Panginoon Diyos na bigyan buhay yung mga karakter na binibigay sa akin.
Magiging mapili ka na ba sa role?
Lagi naman it's always a collaborative effort kasama yung managing ko si Popoy Caritagiso. Lagi naman may element na pinipili namin kung malinam na ba yung maganda ba yung role. Kaya hindi magbabago yung process na yun.